get is minivans.
SUVs.
Yeah. SUVs, I guess that's what
Light
I'm
track.
trying to say.
Yeah. Bonneville.
And you don't have a trunk, you can't secure your crap in it.
No. Nice little Plymouth. What's in back though? That's what's interesting. What's in back of that Plymouth? Oh, Nash Healy. There we go. Oh. Gorgeous. Little Dub. They keep apologizing for 25 years and older. Nice little workhorse, F1.
This guy's here every year.
Yes. Pretty little deal.
Got character, doesn't it?
Oh, it does. That's about top speed right there.
It vibrates at 110.
Yeah, feet per minute. What a Nash. Whoa.
Fender stroke.
That's Studebaker. Oh, sorry about that. I gotta zoom out. Another Riata, Oldsmobile. And Nissan Z-Car. Look at this Oldsmobile. 58. A 1 year only designs from GM. Look at all that chrome. Oh, so much gingerbread.
Great year for money.
Whoa.
You gotta buy 12
OTR 7. Oh.
Model A had a prettier hood ornament than the Deuce did.
Yeah.
Versus a Nike Dash.
Yeah, EMF.
That's the side shirt.
Followed by T. Beautiful brass. MGB.
Really hump for it. Model A, you can buy everything now or T.
Yes. It's the easiest car to get into. Nice little Eldorado. 1960. Oh. Another Ford. Pontiac, yeah. Oldsmobile. Those wipers are actually working pretty good, but of course that's that idle. Once you step on, let's see, once you step on the gas. Nope, vacuum. Come on, guys. Look at that international. Whoa. Have you ever seen one like that before? I'll take a pound. Oh, Buick. Love it. Here's one for you, Alex. I don't see the seat folded up in the back though. Oh, the AACA look. Here we go. Oh, Packard. Oh!
Brakes work.
The problem with the 50 years, they had that originally. Back in the 60s, it was 1933. They're losing a lot of people, so they bumped it to 1939.
Yep.
And then pre-war.
Oh, I understand. I'm 25 years old at this moment. Look at this gal with the umbrella. I could drive that in a Minnesota morning.
Oh my
January,
God.
about 40 below.
Yeah.
Your electric car's not going to start.
Yes, it will.
Even if your battery's under the pillow.
Oh, nice Safari. Look at that.
It'll start, but you can't turn the heater on. You'll drain it.
You will reduce, but at 40 below, you're working to get any car started.
Oh, I know. Let's let them in. I love those old highways. They're so cool.
They are.
If you got a gal to hold it alone. That's true love right there.
Yes. Well, when you work the farm, and that's what they were for.
I know. Get the brass lamps covered, but the wooden body's getting wet.
Oh, look at this Franklin. Wow.
Red and black, favorite colors.
That is amazing. Oh, Franklin. Oh. 409, of course. You come to enough of these shows, and you'll see so many 409s. Look at that Buick. Oh.